Hi everybody, in this video we see exercise 6.1 10th problem. This exercise loss problem. So the question is, if cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 by a. Okay, this is given. Then prove that a square minus 1 by a square plus 1 is equal to sin theta. So first the given is cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 by a. This 1 by a is changed to a squared. So what is a squared we calculate, then only we substitute in the a squared minus 1 by a squared plus 1 is equal to sin theta, prove that. Okay. So how to change 1 by a, convert to a squared means squaring on both sides, because we get a squared. For that purpose only we take squaring on both sides. So cos square theta by 1 plus sin theta the whole square is equal to 1 by a squared. So cos square theta by a plus b the whole square formula. So 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 into 1 into sin theta is equal to 1 by a squared. The next line, cos square theta, how to change? 1 minus sin square theta by 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta is equal to 1 by a squared. Now we take the reciprocal, then we get the a squared. So the reciprocal, how to write? The numerator is go to the denominator. The denominator value is come to numerator. So 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta by 1 minus sin square theta is equal to a squared. So now we get a squared. Okay. Okay. So to prove that means a squared minus 1 by a squared plus 1. So the a square value is 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta by 1 minus sin square theta minus 1. Same like the denominator, 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta by 1 minus sin square theta plus 1. Okay. Then we take the LCM. Okay. Then only we get the answer. So we take the LCM means the denominator is multiply this one. Okay. So 1 into 1 minus sin square theta. Here 1 into 1 minus sin square theta. So how to write means 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 1 into 1 minus sin square theta. So minus 1, then minus into minus plus sin square theta by 1 minus sin square theta. Same like the denominator also we take the LCM, 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta. Then the 1 into 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta by 1 minus sin square theta. So the denominator same is cancelled. The numerator also divided. 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 1 plus sin square theta by 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta plus 1 minus sin square theta. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Here sin square theta minus sin square theta is cancelled. Then sin square theta plus sin square theta, 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta divided by 1 plus 1 is 2, then plus 2 sin theta. So numerator and denominator also have 2. So we take outside 2 into sin square theta plus sin theta by 2 into 1 plus sin theta. So 2 to cancel. One more time, the sin theta is common in numerator. So we take outside the sin theta into this 1 here sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta is cancelled. Then the answer is sin theta. This is the right hand side value. Hence proved. Okay. So very easily we solved. First we take the 2 value is outside. Then the sin theta is take outside. Then easily cancelled. Okay. So this is the loss sum. Carefully solved because the 1 by a is converted to a squared. First we take the squaring on both sides. Then we get the reciprocal. Then we get the 1 by a is changed to a squared. So now we get the a squared value. Then substitute in a squared minus 1 by a squared plus 1. Then the LCM is taken. So this value is get. The denominator is same also cancelled. Then the two numerators are written in the divided form. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Sin square theta minus sin square theta is cancelled. Then we get this one. 2 is common, so take outside. Then also sin theta is common in this, so we take outside. This is cancelled. Then we get the sin theta. Okay. Okay, thank you.